That. You know, after several days of working out problems, the testing is on. We're talking about lead testing for around 19,000 Shelby County school students. The testing is happening after lead was found in water in 35 Shelby County schools. Health Department officials, they gave us a look at how the testing is done. And Local 24 News reporter Mike Matthews, he was with them. It's tonight's local health alert.
Well, if you want to get a good idea of what the kids are being tested for in the schools where they have found lead in Shelby County, we got an example for you. With Shelby County Health Department spokesman Joan Carr volunteering her fingers for science, and this is what a finger stick test looks like. It's not brain surgery. It's more like checking blood sugar levels for diabetics. This is what Shelby County students at 35 schools will be facing between now and next March. But if tests show lead was found, they won't be able to determine whether children were exposed at school or at home.
All we can do is, one, we get a really great history. That's why this form is important. That's the history of other places of potential exposure or a history of exposure. And then when we do the test, we just know that they have an elevated blood lead. And then if it's elevated, we'll also do a home assessment.
The entire finger stick test took maybe 5 minutes. Nobody passed out. There were no screams of agony. The more complicated test will come if there is a high level of lead found in students. It doesn't get worse if nothing is done, but there are some serious complications that could arise if there is a lot of lead found in a child.
They generally will have difficulty learning because the lead can impact their brain cells, and so therefore it can impact learning.
Are there any telltale signs to that?
Not necessarily.
There were officials from the Shelby County school system attending. 3 of them, as a matter of fact. They didn't say anything, and they didn't answer any questions. Dr. Holzhauser says these tests are going to continue probably until March. In Memphis, Mike Matthews, Local 24 News.